today's topic is do not pay collections or charge-offs. What's going on, Credit Sniper? This is your boy Carlos Estrada Vega. We're here with the best credit blueprints. Guy, I'm so excited that you guys are here today. I have a topic that is going to create a lot of controversy. Now, before I start, I want to make sure that you guys go ahead and subscribe to this channel. If you're new in our channel, I appreciate that you guys are here today. Go ahead and check everything, check all the other videos that we have. But before you do that, make sure that you like, share, and make sure you give us a thumbs up. Why? Because the YouTube gods will help us out so we could bring you more and more videos. Now, subscribe and click on the bell icon, and more than likely will be right over here, and click on all, so like that you also get every notifications every day that will come through. Now, we'll be posting videos on the daily basis, guys. So weekly, you guys gonna get something from us. We're gonna drop nuggets. We just want to create value for you guys. We want to help you guys out. Now, like I said, today's topic is going to create a lot of controversy, and that's for sure. Now, before I start, I want to make sure that you guys know that I am not an attorney. I'm not a CPA, and everything that I'm going to tell you is for education purposes only. Now, I created the best credit blueprint because I needed help. I was tired of all these companies out there, which I'm not going to name names, but you know those companies, the one that's string you along month to month, and some of my clients even tell me that, hey, I didn't even see anything. And at the end of the day, after a year, I even end up in the worst place. So guys, you know what? I want to make sure that I bring to you what I was able to create for myself, what took me from $595 to an 804 today in my credit. Now, today's topic is do not pay collections or charge-offs. And I know I'm gonna hear it from many of you. Oh, this is legally, you gotta pay, it's a debt. Well, you know what? There's always a loophole, and it's the law. It is legally under the FCRA. Now, guys, I want to make sure that legally you're not binded to pay a collection and charge-off, and I'll tell you why. Now, all right, first of all, a collection. So a collection is actually a debt that you had that you didn't pay, and all of a sudden went to a collection agency. So what's a collection agency? Now, a collection agency is a company that buys your debt at a deep discount. Now, let me give you an example of that. Let's say, for example, you have a cell phone bill in which you, for some reason, you were not able to pay. And it goes to a collections, you have your 30, 60, 120 days late. So what happened is X company at the end of the year is able to write this off in their taxes, but they still take that debt and they sell it to the highest bidder. So let's just say, for example, a 1, 2, 3 collection agency takes this debt or buys this debt at 2 to 5 cents on the dollar. 2 to 5 pennies on the dollar, and then they decide to go after you. Now, collection agency 1, 2, 3 decides to now get in touch with you and harass you and try to reach out to you, call, and so many of you, probably like me, have gotten those calls in the past. And you try to avoid them. You are tired. No, I don't want to pick up these phone calls. But you know what? The moment that you pick up the call, or the moment that you actually respond to a piece of mail, one of the main things that they tell you is this call is recorded. Why do they say that? They say this because they want to go ahead and get you on a recorded line stating that this is you. Let's just say your name is, like me, Carlos Vega, and they ask you, hey Carlos, how you doing today? Just to let you know, we're on the recording line. We just want to make sure that you confirm this information with us. And you say, yeah, this is Carlos. Boom, that's it, you're done. You confirm that was you. Now, for the most part, what I'm going to not advise you, but tell you what you should do is, hey, I don't know who Carlos is. You have the wrong number. Now, one of the main things is you need to keep in mind that when you got this bill, was not with 123 collection company. Your bill or your contract or whatever you did was with whatever X creditor was. So let's just say an example is it was Sprint for cell phone. You probably signed or didn't sign it, you probably did it online. So they don't have a wet signature, but let's just say they had it. You never signed a contract with 123 collection company. They are just trying to collect on that bill. They bought a debt and they just want to collect. They don't care how much they collect as long as they're able to collect what they spend it, which is about 3 to 5 cents on every dollar. So they are going to hound you as much as they can. It is their job, guys. I know you want to get mad at them. They're also doing their job, and for the most part, they are trained well. So what I want you to know is know your rights. Know your rights under the law. You are not, you don't have to pay this, okay? Now, I know so many of you might go now and say, well, I paid it, or I'm going to pay it. I'd rather just get it off my head and just pay it off. Now, the moment that you pay this off, now let me backtrace. The moment that you say, this is me, or you actually make a payment, even a minimum payment, you reset the time for 7 years, guys. Don't do this. Don't do this. Now, you also, so when you're on a collection or charge off, a charge off is after the collection because you are being collected by your debt, your creditor, and once it's sold, that becomes a charge off. Now they're trying to take the money or get the money from you. So the moment, so when you go back and you get that letter, always look at the fine print. If you see in the bottom of that letter, it'll tell you the statute of limitation. Now, this will differ from state to state. All 50 states and 4 provinces, guys. Make sure that you know that. Research it. All you need to do is Google. How long can a debt or a creditor collect on my debt? Just do that. Do it. Educate yourself. If you are going through this situation, please do not pay this collection or charge off. If you're gonna pay that, if you're gonna spend the money on that, allow us to help you. We know the ins and outs of the law, the FCRA, and all the other laws that actually depend on could help you avoid you ending up with a collection or a collection pay collection in your credit. Because the moment that you pay or make a payment or you pay that off, you'll get in your credit report a satisfied collection, which will affect you for a long time. So allow us to help you remove that, so like that you could definitely start getting what you need. And guys, if you are like me many years ago, this affected me a lot. It affected my ability to get a new car. It affected my ability to qualify for a new home. It affected my ability to make changes, to get debt, to start a business. And guys, like I said, debt is not bad. As long as you use debt to create money for yourself, debt is good. We need to get out of that thought that our parents and many of our ancestors put on us, in which credit cards and debt is not good. No, guys, look at it completely different. When you hear other people's money, OPM, that is the bank's money. That is not my money. I'd rather use that to make money. I'd rather use that to create a company to make me money, and I just pay them. I'd rather use that to buy a property or real estate, which is going to make me money at the end of the day. So use debt wisely. Now, in order to use debt wisely, you also need to learn about your credit. The best credit blueprint, it is the blueprint that is going to help you get from point A to point B in the shortest amount of time. Allow us to help you today, guys. Once again, my name is Carlos Estrada Vega. I am with the best credit blueprint, guys. Before I go, do not forget to like, share, comment. Let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know if we are on the right track, or let me know if you guys think completely different about this. I would love to hear from you guys. Not only that, I need you to go ahead and subscribe. Click on that bell icon and click on all, because I don't want you to miss tomorrow's videos. I'll see you tomorrow.